Let me show the details of the plugin. So initially there will be a sync market link. Basically this is the configuration first step. That means you can disable or enable product synchronization and other features. Uh, so if we disable it, product will not sync to the marketplace. Currently we have two marketplaces, TikTok Shop and Walmart. So first let's connect to the TikTok Shop. Now we will connect to our store. Initially I am using this sandbox shop for TikTok Shop Connect. So let's connect. Okay, I will use the North American seller United States store. We are using sandbox shop, so we can connect with the live store. So no problem. Okay, now you can see that it's selling reconnect. That means it already connected. So now TikTok shop is connected, and here the Walmart. In Walmart we can give the client ID and secret, and you can change the environment like production or sandbox. We are using the sandbox, where you will give this client ID secret and just save. So now let's add a product and see how it's uploading or synchronizing, like price and stock updated, product uploaded. So now we'll go add a new product. We will add this product from Amazon and see how it's uploaded. Like segments for short games, shot. And let's see the description of this product. Okay, just give some description of this product. I can give the price 24. So 24, I can give you some discount like 20. So we are giving the selling price $20 and SQ. If you give the GT and UPC, then it will be okay. But if you did not give, then it will our tool sale plugin will automatically assign this dynamic UPC. The stock we can make it stock like say 15. Okay. So let's keep this and now upload. So now we'll give the product. Now we can see this product. It's already uploaded TikTok shop. You can give the link, and here for Walmart it's saying proceed feed ID. That's mean it's still not uploaded to Walmart, but it uploaded to TikTok shop. Now here is our shop. Now let's see, it's uploaded to here. Also check here. We give the price $20 and we keep the stock 15 quantity. Okay, now see that it's uploaded here and its price is $20 and quantity 15. Now we will update our price and stock and see that if it's work or not. Let's edit the products. Walmart's take a little bit time. It's not instantly upload to product as we are using sandbox, so it's also taking some time. So now let's price change to $70 and inventory make 10 quant. Okay, now update. So it will automatically sync. Now see this, check this. So we make quantity 10 and price 15. So now let's see. You can see that price change and quantity also change. Now if you go back to again this product, you can see that also it's still status the Walmart status proceed. That means still it not success, I means not yet uploaded. Here also you can see there's a filter edit, like say we can just filter our product by according to TikTok shop. So it will automatically filter the product which already uploaded to TikTok shop. You said that this two product is uploaded to, this one is now we uploaded and this one is previously we uploaded. Now let's move to the order. There is only one manual order. I mean just come from the now let's see that here we can upload it to add two features like fetch Walmart order and fetch TikTok shop order. Right now we did not any order TikTok shop order, but we have some demo fetch demo order in our Walmart store. So now let's see if it's work. Okay, order fetching completed Walmart. So we add our plugin will add a new column like marketplace, and you can see that this order comes from the Walmart. So I will get a link to access the order, and if we give a same for the TikTok shop, if we get a TikTok shop order and you here it will also show the TikTok shop. That means new rule will be added. And now I will show that another feature like say if anybody place an order from, for example this product has a quantity in 10. Let's now we'll place an order from front end WordPress, and we'll see that if like say if we buy one quantity then it should be 9 and automatically it should be effect here. That means quantity should be 9 when we place an order from order. So let's place an order. Okay, this is the product we added. Now see, we will add, let's add one quantity. Let's hit checkout and place order. So okay, new order places, and you can see stock is 9. So now we will also check in our TikTok shop this product quantity should be 9 because one order less. Okay, so you can see that's quantity deducted automatically. So when any customer who place an order on WordPress, then it will also affect the marketplace like TikTok shop and Walmart. uh, Thanks